Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Keep It Shut puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of the Keep It Shut puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces inside the box in such a way that the lid will stay shut. Now, as you can see, if you close the lid, it opens because it is made in such a way that it always opens. If you just close the lid and put one of the pieces on top, that is not the solution. You have to fit all 4 parts inside. And you can't put 4 parts inside and flip the box upside down and say that it is closed, it's not going to be opened. No, that is not the solution. You have to keep this side up. It is even printed on the box. It is a 3D printed puzzle, by the way. And as you can see, there are 4 parts, all are completely different. This puzzle has more than 6,000 different assemblies. That means that you can fit these parts inside the frame in many different ways, but there is only one solution that will keep the lid shut, and it will be very difficult to find it. I solved many puzzles from Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, and they are always tricky. They always have this twist. It is not a regular Tekken puzzle where you have to fit pieces into a 3x3x3 box. They always have some trick, like here you have to keep the lid shut. That means that you can put the parts inside, but then if the lid stays open, that means that you didn't find the correct way to solve it. So if you like the Keep It Shut puzzle and you want to try this tricky puzzle and try to figure out the way how to solve it, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.